Yeah, it's been like this for several hours now. Supposed to have a major rainstorm around another 4 hours. Then it's supposed to be heavy showers. It's supposed to start around 4. It's right before noon right now. And then it's supposed to go on until like heavy showers until I'm trying to remember. It was like around 11. And then it was supposed to be light rain after midnight or whatever. But we'll see. It's really humid today. It's really hard to capture how bad this tent is shaking right now. And I'm laying on my cot in case you haven't figured that out. Anyway, I'm still here. I explained to the BLM guy what my situation was. Right now, I'm the only, as far as I can tell, I don't see anybody else here anywhere. Copper and I are the only ones here in the entire campground. And that's kind of what my argument was, is I said, you know, I understand that you have rules because you don't want people setting up permanent residence, etc. But I am planning on being out of here Wednesday morning, or Wednesday afternoon, however long it takes me to get the stuff packed up. I said, so I'm not planning on staying here. I'm also not preventing anybody else from camping because it's empty. Maybe because people knew there was a storm coming. I don't know. But there were still 2 rigs here yesterday morning, and by noon they were gone, I think, if I remember right. I know at least by early afternoon they were gone. Holy crap, holy. So, anyway. At least it's supposed to be raining tonight around 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, which is when we generally go to bed. So that would be nice, be able to lay here and listen to the rain. I'll be happy about that. But, so anyway, what I'm planning on doing, holy crap. Yeah. Oh, there we go. Yeah. This is just nuts. The wind here has actually gotten worse than it was at the last campground. It takes some doing. I really, really hope the wind isn't this bad at my property, because I'm sick of the wind. I did take down my shower tent, which I did that yesterday, and that's why I decided that I wasn't going to leave. Because by the time I got done just doing that, I was not in good shape. And so I need to just do a little bit at a time. So I don't overdo it until I get my meds on Wednesday. So if I can get, everything else pretty much loaded up, and then just have to load my tent and the cot on Wednesday morning, then we should be able to get out of here fairly early, and I can stop at Walmart, take my meds, go down to my storage unit, get a few things that I need. Ugh, dust. And then start heading for home. There's been stuff just falling all over the place off the shelves and stuff. It's been crazy. And then this morning, I had my phone plugged in. Let me know if I can find it now. Oh yeah, here we go. I had the phone plugged in and was watching YouTube, and then all of a sudden I got this message saying YouTube had been shut down because my phone was overheating. I'm like, wow. So then I looked down where the cable plugs into the phone, and it's smoking. Smoking in the boys' room. Yeah, so this is this is my cable. So then it was like halfway stuck in there, and I couldn't find my pliers or anything, so I took my scissors and finally got a hold of it and yanked it out. I think it was the faulty cable and not the phone, because I plugged another cable back into it and it charged up just fine, although I wasn't running any programs or anything. But yeah, I don't know. I'm at a point right now where I don't know what to think about anything, honestly. But it's only supposed to be about 68 today. Something like that. I'm just looking forward to Wednesday. Yeah, I'm just about out of food. Got water. But I am so tired of just eating stuff out of a can. I can't wait to get some actual food. Give me like some bacon and eggs and hash browns or something. You know, just... I've been eating nothing but canned stuff. You know, for a while. And I have some tuna fish and some soup, some pinto beans, and that's about it. I'm out of bread. Can't even make a sandwich. Ugh. So yeah, I liked this place when we first got here, but it wasn't this windy and it wasn't this nasty. And so and too, it's just, I don't know. I'm trying to be positive, trying to stay positive, and I am to a certain extent, but, you know, man. This is getting really, really old. That's all I can say. This is getting really, really old. Yeah. I'm tired of the wind. I'd be glad to get out of here. You know, here I thought I wanted to stay longer. But it was different, you know, back when I was saying that. It wasn't as bad as it is now. Because the wind has just been horrendous for the last... Holy crap! There goes stuff off, everything knocking all over the place. Yeah. Anyway, I think they've decided to just let me stay because nobody's been back to harass me now for like 3 days, so I got rest of today, tomorrow, Monday, and Tuesday, and then I'm out of here. You know, this is a nice campground. I'm not gonna disparage it, you know, but it's just that right now, the way the weather's changed, I mean, this is just, look at this. This is just crazy. This is nuts. Copper won't even come in here. He doesn't like it. He's staying out there in the bushes. He doesn't like it when the wind starts blowing the tent like that. Can't blame him. Anyway, that's all I got for you today. I'm just waiting for the rain.